Hi, Pumpkin. Hi, Mommy's big boy. Hi. Are you gonna talk to me? Yes, you are. Say, Mommy, I love you. Say, Mommy, I love you. Yeah. There you go. That's my big boy. Hey, say, can you give me a kiss? Say, mwah. Mwah. Give me a kiss. You blow me a kiss. That's right. That's right. You can do it. I know you can. There you go. You gonna give me some talk? Give me some talk. Hi, baby. Baby Connor. Baby Connor. I love you. I love you. You are my sunshine. You are my sunshine. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yes, that's right. You're my happy morning boy. Yes, you are my happy morning boy. Oh. That's right. Are you Mommy's happy morning boy? Hi. That's my boy. Hi. Mommy loves you. Yes, I do. Say happy morning boy. Yes. That's Mommy's happy morning boy. Hi. Oh, you love to stretch out. Stretch out. That's right. That's right. Say hi to Nana. And to Daddy. And to Grandpa Jerry. And to Sissy and to Brother. That's right. Hi, everybody. It's a beautiful morning. Okay, you ready for some breakfast now? Are you ready for your baba? Are you ready for your baba, Mr. Kit? Bye-bye, I'm gonna go eat now. I'm gonna go eat now. Give me a kiss. Thank you. Thank you. What is that? Oh. Say, mwah! Say, I love you. I love you.